Hi, it's Steve from Parts Select. Today we're going to talk about why your oven isn't heating properly. Remember, parts are specific to your model of oven, and the one shown today may not be the right parts for you. To get the right part for your oven, be sure to search partselect.com using your model number. If you need help finding your model number, use our model number locator. The link is in the description. The first thing to verify when diagnosing this problem is to check if your stove or oven has internal fuses. Not every stove or oven has fuses, but your owner's manual will tell you if your model does. If you don't have your owner's manual, find your model online at partselect.com to verify if fuses are listed among the parts. The most common component to look at when your oven isn't heating properly is the bake element. Now, the bake element is found on the bottom of your oven. The broil element is on the top, but is much less likely to fail. If you see or have seen sparking, turn off the power to your oven immediately, either by unplugging it or turning off the breaker. Your element is most likely damaged. If you see pitting, burn marks, or discolored terminals on your bake element, it has been damaged and needs to be replaced. If your bake element and terminal show no visible problems, take a look at your oven sensor. A bad oven sensor will typically not show any visible problems, but the temperature in your oven will not be accurate. You may test your oven sensor by comparing the ambient temperature in the oven with the temperature indicated by the oven sensor following the manufacturer's instructions. You may find the instructions for your oven in your owner's manual. If you don't have a manual, search for your model number online. The only other way to check your oven sensor with certainty is to remove your oven sensor and check the resistance with a multimeter. Find a chart from your manufacturer that lists what resistance value you should see at specific temperatures. If your oven is equipped with a solid-state temp sensor, any problems with that temp sensor will typically generate a fault code on the clock. If your gas oven isn't heating, you may want to check for signs of a defective oven igniter. A properly working oven igniter will typically glow for 30 to 40 seconds until the burner lights. Look for damage to the igniter, such as a small crack which may be almost invisible. To verify that the igniter is at fault, you may use a multimeter to test the resistance. Oven igniters are very fragile, so please use caution when replacing one. If there is no visible damage to the igniter, verify that you have the proper line voltage before changing the igniter. Now that you can identify what the problem could be and what, if any, parts you need to repair or replace, go to partselect.com. There you can order your parts and find more information about your specific repair.